held me back when I tried to move on from your life. So you stole my life with clarity. So hold me back, now you're here, 'cause I'm right.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Better with Bridgetta. Today on the menu is baked salmon. You're going to need fresh parsley, lemon juice, lemon slices, olive oil, or you could use avocado oil. I've got 4 pieces of salmon that I've rinsed and patted dry, mustard, pepper, salt, and garlic. Now I'm going to chop the parsley. We need about 2 tablespoons. While I'm assembling all the ingredients, I've got the oven preheated to 450, and it's only going to need to cook 12 to 15 minutes. And now the garlic. Calls for 2 to 3 pieces of garlic. I'll go ahead and cut the lemon right now. It calls for 4 slices, which we're going to put on top of each piece. Don't need those. There we go. All right, now we'll add our other ingredients, which is lemon juice, salt, extra virgin olive oil, or I said you could use avocado oil, mustard, and this is Dijon mustard, and pepper. Stir that all together. Wow, looks good and smells good too. I'm gonna pour this over each one. I'm going to get my marinating brush so I can get every last bit of it and spread it around. Oh, that looks good. Well, we want to get it coated. Okay, I've already sliced our lemon pieces up, but let me get the seeds out of this one. And that one. It's ready to go in the oven. Okay, it's going into the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes. Oh wow, hear the sizzle? That looks wonderful. It's still really hot, so we're gonna let it sit for a few minutes. Then we're gonna eat. All right, well, we decided to have our meal outside in the beautiful weather of Central Florida. And we're gonna try the baked salmon. It was so easy.
That's a good sauce.
Oh, wow. Juicy, not dry. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you again real soon with more videos. Bye.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.